We're here at Home Depot trying to buy a grinder.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
What's happening, guys? So, I bought the skid steer. We're in Grand Junction right now. It's a MX-MRT14. The auction is closed on Fridays, and that's the only day I can get off of work. So I just had them drop it off on the outside of their building, and we got here and there's no keys. My suspicion is somebody jacked them or something else. So we are working on trying to get it running. They took the disconnect switch, key, and the key for the ignition. We have been working on it, so I do have a plan. Right here was the disconnect. It had a switch like this. So what I did is, you have to close the circuit. So what I did is I put these two together. Well, first, this is my bolt. I found it on I bought a tuk-tuk over there. Video to come soon. I have to put the bolt on here like this because it's not to thread it all the way. Put this on like this. Boom, boom. Put my bolt on and secure it. What this does is it just closes the circuit. What we were finding is we were jump starting the battery and we weren't getting any power. So the disconnect switch was closed. And you can't pull start it, you can't do anything unless you got that disconnect switch closed. So, completing the circuit this way, I just leave it hang right here. For the disconnect, we got that all secured. The keys, we found the keys in a mini golf cart that I bought at another auction. They're not the right ones, but they work. So, turn it on, we get power. So, seems like it's gonna work. Next issue that we're running into is I had to buy a grinder. I talked about it before we left. I was like, I should probably bring a grinder. Didn't do it. So, had to buy one. Luckily, Home Depot's got cheap grinders. It's not a brushless or nothing, just a cheap grinder. So the game plan is, cut that beam at the front, drive this puppy out of there, drive it onto the trailer so we can get it home and do some reviews and do some work with it.
How did you know how to put this all together?
Oh, don't mess up the blade. Fucking get it off your finger. Oh, there we go. Something like that. So, cut this. Got it on wrong. So we're running into a little issue. That's why I had to buy a grinder. This beam here connects with those controls because of this lower one. So, bummer. I thought about bringing my grinder from home. Totally forgot. Didn't forget. I just didn't bring it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut here and here, and get this, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna move the machine out and then load the shell or the metal onto the trailer, and then we will load the machine on afterwards. I don't know if I can leave the metal, and it's kind of good metal, so we can bring it to the house. So let's get the cut. All right.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Probably don't now. All right. Let's get this thing on the trailer.
Kaboom!
Yes, Rico. Kaboom.
That was sweet. All right. So as you guys can see, that was not the most easiest thing in the world, but it's doable. Anybody can do it. We're gonna strap everything up and get out of here. We're gonna get an unboxing video or unloading video going of all the junk I got. You guys can see I got quite a medley of good stuff. So until next time, thank you. They're not the right ones, but they work. My brother's working on the grinder. He did it wrong, of course.